Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Wallet shortcut to your Android lock screen, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to add the Google Wallet shortcut on an Android lock screen. Starting with Android 12, Google added a dedicated wallet toggle instead of using the old method where you had to press and hold the power button. This makes accessing Google Wallet faster and more visible. If you've updated your phone to Android 12 or later and don't see the wallet shortcut yet, don't worry, you can enable it manually. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Display. From there, tap on Lock Screen. Inside the lock screen settings, look for an option called Show Wallet and turn it on. Once this is enabled, a Google Wallet shortcut will appear on your lock screen, allowing you to quickly access your cards and passes without unlocking your phone. And that's it. With this small change, Google Wallet becomes much more accessible right from your lock screen. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.